Signs she's attracted to you, according to science. We've all been there. Plucked up our courage, made a move, and been brutally rebuffed. It's a sting that doesn't fade quickly, knocks our confidence, and often has us wishing we could go back in time to before we made a fool of ourselves. But, even though we're not able to offer you time travel, we can offer some science as a solution. 1. Look for open body language. If she's standing in front of you, arms crossed and looking down at her shuffling shoes, then she's probably not into you. Countless studies have found that women who are actually interested will make sure that they are open to your presence, not closed off and keen to engage. Look out for uncrossed legs and arms, upward gazes and a smile. 2. Suggestive behavior as a sign. This should go without saying, but if women engage in flirtatious body language and behavior, then she's likely interested. The actions to keep an eye out for take the openness one step further, and include baring vulnerable areas of the arms or neck or keeping their hair down to accentuate femininity. Look out for tilted heads to expose pheromones, and hands and wrists visible to show soft skin. 3. Blushing as a sign she likes you. Blushing is one of the most common ways to tell if someone likes you. Either that, or you're just making them feel embarrassed and uncomfortable. But women wear blusher to mimic this effect and seem more attractive to men. It's all evolutionary. Look out for blushing, but beware if she's wearing makeup. 4. Check their purse. Obviously we don't mean start rifling through it. That's a little intense, and even more illegal. But rather, by check her purse we mean gauge how she's holding it. If a woman is feeling uncomfortable or not attracted to someone, she will clutch her bag tightly and position it in front of her body. If she's attracted, she'll want nothing standing between you. Look out for a purse or handbag by her side or swung behind her back. 5. Look at her feet. Again, not in a creepy way. Rather, science shows that the direction a woman's feet are pointing can often determine what they desire, like a subconscious compass. If our feet are pointed towards something, be it a beautiful woman or a vintage sports car, we want it. And the same can be said for her feet. Look out for her feet pointing towards you, and not the exit. 6. She'll stare at you. Stare into her eyes. Science shows that women will have bigger pupils if they see a spark between you and, overall, if she's gazing and not breaking eye contact, she probably thinks you're worth staring at, which is good news for you. Look out for unbroken eye contact. 7. Listen to her voice. According to research, both men and women's voices lower when they're talking to someone they're attracted to, which means that if she sounds husky, she's likely into you. You'll be guilty of the same, deepening your voice to sound more passionate, sultry, and intense. Listen out for a drop in the pitch of her voice. 8. Is she mirroring you? People who feel an affinity toward one another are likely to mirror each other's body positions. Mirroring can help establish rapport and can also be used to test whether the person you are speaking to likes you back. Like the feet, this subconscious signal shows compatibility, and that there's something there to act on. Look out for raising glasses in sync and other mimicked actions.